Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Campus Placement. Today's video is a very special video. We have decided to let's start with the interview processes. As we know that where there are many students who have just completed their B and also the students which have completed their third year and are about to enter the final year. All of them are just looking for how to crack for interview processes. So in this video, we selected the Wipro company. We have our friends who are in Wipro. We contacted them. We asked them the whole interview process, how it went, what were the questions that were asked, and everything you can get in this video. So let's start with the whole of the interview process of Wipro. So let us first start with knowing about the graduation criteria. It is a beauty of Wipro that they don't categorize anyone. They take all the branches. The students of all the branches are eligible for the interview process. So there is nothing but only that all branches are eligible and the candidates of final year can only apply. So the second most important thing is the academic criteria. You should have a 60% aggregate, that is throughout the academics you should have 60% marks at least, that is minimum of 60%. Then you shouldn't have any current backlogs. If you have, please guys don't apply. They will blacklist you. I have seen these conditions, the situations in in front of me that many of the students which are having the current backlogs and they apply. Please don't do this thing. Then comes the Wipro policies. So if a candidate has attended any interview of Wipro in the past 6 months, then you are not eligible. If you have attended any Wipro interviews, please don't apply again. It in the span of 6 months. After 6 months you can go and apply. Or if you have been terminated by Wipro for any reason, then also you cannot apply again. Then again, the most beautiful thing about Wipro is if you miss the interview for any of the reason, you have the right to go and tell them that I want to apply again. Then you can attend the interview and the selection process again. Okay, so we have seen all the policies and conditions for applying for the Wipro. Now the most important second thing that comes is about the documents. So while going for the interview process, even for the APT, you need to carry these documents. So the documents are first your 10th, 12th and graduation mark sheets, original along with the Xerox, then the updated resume. This is the most important thing among all. Then the passport size photographs, original ID proofs. It can be a Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, passport. These are the important documents that you should carry. Sometimes, many of the times, they ask you about them. They check, they verify your marks. It is really important that you enter the correct marks. And most of the time, they don't, but it is for your safety to carry them. Okay, then comes the most important thing that everyone must be waiting for, the Wipro recruitment process. So, as usual, as every company does, it has the written exam, the technical interview, and the HR interview. Okay, so here comes the Wipro written exam pattern. You have 5 sections of exam. First is the verbal. It has 16 questions and they have a cutoff of 60% and there is no negative marking. Then comes aptitude. You have 13 questions, 60% of cutoff and no negative marking. Reasoning with 12 questions, 60% of cutoff and no negative marking. Coding, you have 2 questions and the cutoff is 50%. That is at least you have Okay, I will go in deep in this. uh, you have no negative marking, and for English test you have 70% cutoff and no negative marking. Okay, so for verbal aptitude and reasoning, I would suggest to go for RS Agrawal. It is more than enough. Just have a practice of that. You can easily crack this questions. Then comes the coding. Okay, so there are two questions, and one is mostly easy, and second may be somewhat difficult. Sometimes it comes easy, and everyone has different question sets. So you cannot get same questions with your friend, and you cannot get the same question. Everyone has a different question. And for languages, yes, you have option. It can be Python, C, C++. It's all about the interview process, the exam pattern, eligibility criteria, documents required, everything important to just enter the Wipro exam. In the next video, I will give you the example questions that may be asked. So for this, please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified when I add the next video. Please guys, do like the video, do share with your friends, and thank you for watching.